What happens when you do 25 push-ups twice a day? 1. You build foundational upper body strength. Push-ups recruit the chest, triceps, and shoulders, making them one of the most efficient bodyweight strength exercises. Performing them daily strengthens these muscles and improves your ability to perform everyday pushing movements. Because push-ups also act as a moving plank, your core, lower back, and glutes engage to keep your body stable. This improves trunk rigidity and functional strength. 2. Your muscular endurance increases. If 25 representatives feel challenging at first, doing them twice a day rapidly improves your ability to resist fatigue. This is because repeated sub-maximal effort builds muscular endurance, especially in beginners. Within a few weeks, most people notice they can perform the representatives more easily and with better form. 3. You strengthen your fitness habit. A consistent twice-daily routine reinforces discipline and makes exercise a natural part of your day. This behavioral benefit is one of the biggest advantages of a fixed push-up target. Many people use this as a gateway habit that leads to more structured training later. 4. You burn a small but meaningful amount of calories. Push-ups elevate your heart rate and activate multiple muscle groups, contributing to daily energy expenditure. While not a major fat loss tool on their own, they support overall metabolic health. What happens after a few weeks? The plateau effect: your body adapts, and progress slows. The human body is efficient. Once 25 push-ups become easy, the stimulus is no longer strong enough to trigger new strength or muscle gains. This is known as a training plateau. At this point, doing 25 twice a day maintains your current fitness but won't significantly improve it. Why? Muscles grow when challenged close to fatigue. If you can breeze through 25 representatives, the exercise becomes endurance-based rather than strength-building. How your body changes physically. 1. Stronger chest, arms and shoulders. Daily push-ups strengthen the pectorals, triceps, and anterior deltoids, improving upper body tone and functional strength. 2. Improved core stability. Maintaining a straight plank position trains your abs, obliques, and lower back, reducing the risk of lower back sagging and improving posture. 3. Better cardiovascular health, indirectly. Higher push-up capacity is associated with better long-term cardiovascular outcomes, likely because it reflects overall fitness. 4. Boosted confidence and stress relief. Consistently hitting your twice-daily target boosts confidence and releases endorphins, improving mood and mental clarity. Risks and considerations. 1. Overuse injuries. Daily push-ups without rest can strain the shoulders, wrists, and lower back, especially if form deteriorates. 2. Poor form under fatigue. Sagging hips, flared elbows, or wrist collapse increase injury risk. Beginners may need modified versions, knees or wall push-ups. 3. Lack of progress without overload. To keep improving, you must increase representatives, sets, or difficulty, e.g., decline push-ups. How to keep progressing beyond 25 twice a day. Add 5 to 10 representatives every 1 to 2 weeks. Switch to decline, diamond, or wide grip push-ups. Add a weighted backpack. Perform 3 to 4 sets instead of 1 continuous set. Include rest days to allow muscle recovery. Final takeaway. Doing 25 push-ups twice a day builds strength, endurance, confidence, and core stability, especially for beginners. But your body will adapt, so to keep progressing, you'll need to increase the challenge over time.